Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best leather cleaner. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner and Conditioner uses a slightly different approach to leather care and delivers superior results. The odorless, colorless, and pH-balanced cleaner removes dirt and leaves nothing behind to get in the way of conditioning. We used the cleaner with a brush and bright yellow microfiber cloth. The results were easy to see. Chemical Guys Leather Conditioner Cream goes on differently than liquids, and a little goes a long way. We applied the conditioner with a microfiber applicator and a folded microfiber cloth and found the cream conditioner is easier to control than liquids. The more we worked on it, the better it got. We gave it time to penetrate in between applications and used just enough for a soft touch and satin finish. Use a little more if you like more shine. Chemical Guys Leather Conditioner has a fresh scent of new leather without the overwhelming olfactory assault of new car smell. The process is quick. Just spray either product onto your leather goods and wipe them with a soft cloth. Pros: a little conditioner covers a lot of areas. Odorless, colorless, and pH balanced. Finishes leather so it's soft to the touch. Creates a satin finish. Cons: does take time to penetrate the leather. Number 2. Leather Honey Leather Conditioner and Cleaner. The Leather Honey Leather Conditioner is our review team's choice for best odorless conditioner and features a non-toxic formula with water-repellent properties. It's also worth noting that this leather conditioner isn't made with silicone, solvents, or animal products. The rich formula is designed to protect new leather and rejuvenate old leather. The manufacturer says in the product description that you should use a lint-free cloth to apply this leather conditioner and that it's worth spot testing because some leather colors may darken. The manufacturer also claims this product offers 6 months of protection on new and old leather. Additionally, this conditioner is fit to restore all colors and types of leather, excluding faux. The Leather Honey Leather Conditioner is the most often reviewed product in this article, with nearly 39,000 reviews on Amazon. A whopping 88% of users give the product a minimum of 4 stars, while 3% awarded a single star. About 71% believe it deserves a full 5 stars. Many reviewers note that the Leather Honey leather affects more lotion-like products differently and doesn't leave as much greasy residue behind. Some negative reviews say this conditioner leaves leather surfaces very sticky. Number 3. Leather Honey by Leather Cleaner. Though it doesn't contain honey or beeswax, this Leather Honey product is close to the consistency of honey, and just a small portion of the leather car seat cleaner covers a great distance. The so-called magic liquid from this family-owned company doesn't require scrub brushes or intense washing. After applying it to a cloth, it can be gently wiped onto the leather and left to dry. The process can be repeated depending on how dirty the car leather is, too. I've tried several leather cleaners that when it dries, others leave a white residue, explained one reviewer. Not this one. This is the best leather cleaner I've ever used. It took off all the residue layers of past cleaners and left such a clean surface ready for the next step. Same line, leather conditioner. Hence, no harm will come to you as well as to the leather goods you are using. Besides, the concentrated solution will help in cleaning the surfaces from deep within, removing grime deposits. The conditioner that comes in the package will help in maintaining the shine and beauty of the leather or vinyl surface. You can use this cleaner product on any type of leather goods such as car seats, leather armchairs, and even accessories. Number 4. Lexol Leather Conditioner and Leather Cleaner Kit. Give your smooth leather an ultimate cleaning and conditioning when you use the 2-step Lexol Leather Conditioner and Leather Cleaner Kit. The company's leather cleaning products debuted in 1933. When you use this kit, begin with the deep cleaner, apply it to one of the 2 applicator sponges and wipe dirt and oils away. You can stop there or continue with the leather deep conditioner. Apply this the same way as the cleaner. Your leather car interior and furniture absorb the fine oil droplets in the conditioner, which nourishes and restores it. When you use the conditioner every 6 months, it can protect your leather from drying and cracking without leaving a residue, thereby extending its life. On the contrary, the conditioner will help bring out the shine and luster of the leather fabric. Also, this product can enhance the fabric's durability by providing nourishment to the fibers and strengthening them from within. In addition, you can use both the cleaner and conditioning solution on different types of leather products, from jackets to couch upholstery and many more. This ensures you don't have to worry about the shine of the leather surfaces or the longevity of the products. Number 5. Bitmore 4 Leather Conditioner and Cleaner. Since 1882, Bitmore has been providing high-quality leather care products, hence why our review team recognized the Bick 4 Leather Conditioner for coming from the best brand in leather conditioners. This product is completely wax-free to ensure that leather pores won't seal up, which keeps your leather soft and breathable. Additionally, unlike most other leather conditioners, the Bick 4 won't darken your leather. This conditioner features an all-in-one formula designed to condition, clean, polish, and protect your leather. The formula featured in the cleaner also replenishes the natural oils found in leather. Also note that the Bick 4 leather conditioner won't leave a sticky or gummy residue behind and is safe for all colors of leather. It also keeps leather products safe from environmental elements and repels water. You can use it for all kinds of leather products. However, since it is known to darken the color of leather, it is recommended to use it for products that are already quite dark in color. To use it, apply a thin layer of the oil to the leather surface, wait for the oil to be absorbed, and wipe off any excess. Voila! Your leather product will shine like new. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.